At this time, Pfaff does still include a printed manual that comes with the Pfaff Creative 4.5 sewing machine. But did you know you've got a help feature right in the corner? So this question mark here, if you touch the question mark, and then touch any function or stitch on the screen, and it will tell you what it is or how to use it. Sometimes we don't even know what to look it up in the manual by because we don't know what it's called. So like here, this is the stitch creator. This is where we could design our own stitches. And if I go in there, there's going to be little symbols in here that I might not recognize. So you can touch the question mark and ask it, what does it mean for that? Oh, that's a duplicate feature. So anytime you have a question about an item on your screen or a particular stitch that you are looking at, so if you have a stitch on screen, you can actually touch that and it will tell you what type of stitch it is. That's a stippling stitch, by the way. You also have this little eye for information. This is your manual on your machine. So let's say you don't have your manual with you, you're at class and you're not sure if you should where to go for something. You have the manual two different ways. You've got it alphabetical, so if you were looking for something in the sequencing area, you could click to the S's and find sequencing and how to save or add commands to it, such as adding a stop or a cut at the end of your memory. You can also search by kind of grouping or category. So in this part, if you're looking for how to get your embroidery prepared. So your areas of options are like how to hoop the fabric, how to attach the hoop, and up will come that particular area of the information. And you can also kind of save, this is your information here, this is your the name, the machine level, and so forth, and its ID number, so it's kind of handy. You do have a home button. This will take you back to the beginning of your screen. If there was more information on that screen, you could scroll down as you go, but it's just nice to know that you have everything in your manual at your fingertips.